Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the power cord in the hot point refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair, should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 4-inch nut driver, wire strippers, side cutters, and 3 wire nuts. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new power cord assembly. The power cord is located at the back of the refrigerator. It connects the internal refrigerator wiring harness to the wall power outlet. If your refrigerator is completely dead, not even the lights are working, check for power at the wall outlet and then check and replace the power cord. So we are here at the back of the fridge, and to get to the part, we need to remove this rear access panel. There's several 4-inch screws. I'm using a 4-inch nut driver. I'm going to take them out and remove the panel. Alright, so this is our old power cord, and we are going to replace it. I'm going to start with taking this single 4-inch screw out using the 4-inch nut driver. I'm going to free it from the cabinet. I'm going to remove the screw, and I'm going to remove this little holder. Slide it off. Don't throw it away. We're going to reuse it. Put it aside. And this is our power cord. So we've got 1, 2, and 3 wires. I'm going to use side cutters, and I'm going to snap them off. Make sure that you leave the long wire to connect to. Next, I'm going to use the wire strippers, and we're going to strip this 3 wires. This is the old power cord assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so we're going to bring in the new power cord, and I'm going to snap off these ends because of the mass that's wiring. Yeah, I'm going to strip it from the beginning, so we're going to make it nice. And this one too. And we're going to strip the wires. All right, now we're going to connect the wires. We're going to start with connecting the ground wire. And I'm going to use this blue wire nut. That's a small one. All right, make it tight. And then we're going to go to the other wires here. So if you will look at the wire, it will have a rib. This one has a rib, so we're going to find the one which has a rib, this one, and we're going to connect it together, rib to rib. And I'm going to use the larger wire nut. And now we've got this left and this one left. And this is unribbed wires. I'm going to connect them together. And by the way, the ribbed wire means neutral, and the non-ribbed wire is hot, 120, just for your knowledge. I'm going to twist them together. All right, and one more thing to do before we're going to close down the patient. We're going to connect the wires here. I'm going to slide on this, squeeze it, and I'm going to place that 1/4-inch screw in. You're going to tighten it using the 1/4-inch nut driver. All right. Now I'm going to install this rear access panel. Put it on. I'm going to match the holes. Okay, I'm going to use the 1/4-inch nut driver. And I'm going to secure it to the cabinet. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.